one inked on us. The tattoo. Sunflower. It's something sunflower. Is it like a sunflower crochet or something like that?
Read it again.
Something that grows without water but still matches the one inked on us. It's a flower that's inked on us.
What is the first line?
Something that grows without water. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Grows without water. They're not stockings. Is this just a box or are they actually stockings?
Sunflower stockings.
Actually, that would be so cute.
That would be so cute.
What that girl got.
Yeah.
That was Bumblebee.
Yeah.
That she got on her.
That was me before you. She got Bumblebee stockings.
Sunflower stockings would be very cute.
Yeah.
It's a good idea.
Are they actually stockings? Is it a pin?
Yeah, I know what it
Are they like sunflower pins or something like that?
is.
Oh my god. How much tape you put? Why you put tape on everything?
That into the actual packet.
Oh.
What is that?
Is it a necklace? Is it like Lego sunflower?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute. But what does it look like? Oh, okay, okay. Oh, that is so cute. Where do you find this? Misho.
No. I'm a magician.
That is so cute.
I know, right?